guys, it's me, Danny. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with Emma. I'm just going to show you her outfit really quick because I really like it. Okay, so last week we hit 100 subscribers, which is so exciting. It's just crazy. I'm so thankful for you guys. So I just wanted to do a little video to celebrate stuff. So I'm going to be showing you how I made this little doll-sized play button, which I think is really cute. And I'm also going to be making some brownies because chocolate's amazing. So yeah, let's get into the video. These are the main things that I used besides like a pencil, scissors, paintbrush, you know. I started by tracing this little sticky note thing onto my cardboard, but it is 4 inches by 3 inches, so I could have just done that, but I found it and it seemed like it would be a good size. And then I just cut them all out, and I ended up using 10 of these. Once they were all cut out, I started gluing them together. Then I cut out a few more rectangles, but with the middle cut out 1/4 of an inch from the edge, and I ended up using 7 of these. And then I started gluing those onto the other rectangles. Then I traced and cut out 3 of these little YouTube play button shapes. And then another with a little triangle cut out. I glued those together and then glued it onto the main piece. And then off camera, I sanded all of the edges with a nail file. And this is what it looks like before it gets painted. Here I am painting the little YouTube logo and the frame silver. And now I'm painting the center with a regular matte gray. And then with a toothpick in silver, I painted on my channel name, 100 subscribers, and then the date I got 100 subscribers. I had actually gotten 100 subscribers on April 6th, but then the next day it was back to 98. And this is the finished product. And now it's brownie time. I started by mixing together my sugar, butter, eggs, cocoa, and vanilla. The original recipe says to use vegetable oil, but I really like butter, so I just use butter sometimes. After that's all mixed up, I'm going to add in the flour, baking powder, and salt. Now I'm putting it into a greased 9 by 13 inch pan. Remember to grease it, guys. I've forgotten to grease the pan so many times, and it's so sad when you're trying to take your brownie out of the pan and you just lose so much of it. And then I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Then I let them cool for probably about 20 minutes before cutting them, and then they were ready to eat, and they were so good. Again, thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. It really means so much to me. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below hi pizza, because there actually was a pizza in the video. If you aren't already subscribed, subscribe. I really try to post every week, but it's just hard because I'm pretty busy. But summer's coming kind of soon, like in 2 months. So that's really exciting. My 1-year anniversary is in 2 months. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!